In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Microsoft Outlook login not working on iPhone. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your router. Next, clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings, go to General, click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Microsoft Outlook and launch it. Now click on Offload App. Click on Offload to confirm it. Now wait for a few seconds, then click on Reinstall App. This will clear temporary bugs. Another important step is to check your password and make sure you are entering the correct Microsoft account details. If needed, reset your password through Microsoft official recovery page. Next up, check for app update, launch App Store, search for the app Outlook. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Also check the server status of Microsoft Outlook. If servers are down, you might not be able to log in. Lastly, if nothing works, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Microsoft Outlook login not working on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.